And so on, boys and girls. Well, hi there, pluckers. Arthur Saw Things again with you with hopefully another interesting ditty for you. Classic song from Paul McCartney, of course, and a song called Junk. Okay, I didn't sing any words because basically the words just follow the highlighted notes of the chords. Okay, so I thought I'd keep it simple. So quite difficult to play. It's quite a lot of movement on the old wrist. Yeah, it's quite wristy, this song. It's not the easiest thing to play. Okay, but by all means have a go and see what you can do with it. Okay, so it starts off with an F sharp minor. So first three strings barred, second fret with the first finger, third finger up to the fourth fret of the fourth string, the D string. But you add your pinky to the fifth fret of the top E string, okay? And that's, you just play the top four strings, D string downwards, okay? So sort of run, it's like almost like a waltzy sort of beat. Okay, then what we do is we lower the fourth string down to the third fret using your second finger. It takes over the fourth string on the third fret, and pinky goes down to the fourth fret on the top E string, to that chord. And if you want to know what that chord is, it's got some really weird name, something like F augmented add sharp ninth or something. Anyway, but that's what it is. It's the third fret of the fourth string, barring the second fret of the second and third strings with the first finger, and pinky, fourth fret, top E string. Okay, so now you've got this. Okay, and what you do there is, after you've strummed that chord, what I do is I take the pinky up to the fifth fret on the top E string and then back again. Or you can play the chord again. So you up, play the chord, top E string, fifth fret, and then back and play the chord again with pinky on the fourth fret. Okay, so far then we've got then what we do is we bar the first four strings on the second fret now with the first finger, and we play that chord, so F sharp minor seventh, and then we add the pinky or your third finger to the fourth fret on the top E string and back to the F sharp minor 7. Okay, so now we've got this. Then a very quick fifth fret top E string with pinky, or you can play the chord, with that top E string on the fifth fret if you like. So now we got this. Okay, or just play the top E string on the fifth fret, and then we play a D major 7. Simple, bit simpler this one, just the first three strings on the second fret this time, open fourth string. Okay, so from the beginning. So I messed that up, let's try that again. Okay, then what we do, so it's like 3 times like that. Okay, on that chord, just once again, just for clarity, so here we go. Okay, then what we do is we do a run on the D major 7th, a lot of single notes now, so play the chord, 4 down to 1, the D major 7, then hit the single note on the fourth fret of the top E string, whichever finger you're happy with, up to the fifth fret, up to the seventh fret, so it's, and then we slide that down, back down to the D major 7th again. Right, right? So it comes out of that. So now we've got this. And then we go, and then at the last one we add the pinky again to the top E string, 5th fret on the D major 7th. So I'll just go through that slowly. Okay, as far as we got. Then we do this little A bit. So I'm playing a lazy A, and that's just basically barring the first 4 strings on the 2nd fret. Okay, and I'm playing the open 5th string, then the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and then what I'm doing is I'm playing the 3rd string and 2nd string and hammering up to that, which is the 3rd. So I'm using my, so you go, so you play the 5th string open, the 4th string, 2nd fret on the, with the bar there, then we play the 3rd string and the 2nd string, but hammer up with these 2nd and 3rd fingers to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and the 4th fret of the 3rd string. So you got, and then we play the barred 2nd fret of the 3rd and 2nd again. Okay, so got that. So now you've got this from the beginning. Then we do the A bit again, which is slightly different. All you do this time is the same again, the open A, the 2nd on the 4th, and this time you play those 2, and so you play that 3rd on the 2nd and the 4th on the 3rd, just on their own, and then take it off and play the 2nd on the 3rd on the bar. So the first time it's, the first time is that, sorry, first time is, and then the second time is, okay, other way round sort of thing. And then we'll repeat the whole first part again. So got that. So after that, again we go exactly the same again, right back to the A. Finish on the A bit, yeah. So let's do the whole thing so far. Okay, so here we go. Slowly, I'll float as slow as I can. Makes sense to you? Here we go. Then we play the bridge section, and that is like a D minor 7. D minor 7, barring the first 2 strings on the 1st fret with the 1st finger, and then the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. But to start it off with, we add the pinky to the 3rd fret of the top E string. So form the D minor 7th, but add the pinky to the 3rd fret on the top E string. Okay. And then we got, so initially you play the D minor 7th with the added top E string on the 3rd fret, and then take the pinky off and just play the D minor 7th. Okay, so it's, and then what I do is I play the lazy A again, and what we do with that is we play the A and then make it a suspended fourth by adding a finger to the third fret of the second string and then off again. So it's okay, got that? So let's just do the second half of the verse and then we'll go into that. Okay, so it's as far as I go, yeah? Then we go to a basic E chord, and it's like that sort of thing. So it's E, then E6 by adding to the E chord, pinky on the second fret of the second string, the B string, okay? And then move that finger, pinky up to the third fret on the second string for an E7. So it's, and then we're back to the lazy A again, or you can play an A chord, standard A chord if you want. And what you do this time is you play the A, then make it a suspended, pinky goes up to the third fret on the second string. Then you play the top E string open. Or you can do it this way, whichever way you want to do it. Okay? So far this middle section is okay, and then you just basically repeat the D minor 7th with the pinky on the third fret top E string again, D minor 7th, the A bit again, suspended, the E, E6, E7, A. Just a single stroke on the A, bit of a pause, and then we're back to that bit again. Okay, so I'll try and play the whole thing through up to that point, and then basically it's just more of the same. Okay, so from the very beginning, let's see if I can get it without making too many boo-boos. Here we go. And so on. Well, there you have it, boys and girls, my take on Junk by Paul McCartney. It's certainly quite a little ditty, that one, to get into. Quite lots of stretches with pinky, and it's quite hard on the wrist, that one. But have a go, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.